Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special car. It's a 1971 Pontiac Trans Am. I got Gary here, a very particular guy. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. Hey Gary.
How you doing?
Good, man. I'm waiting to see this car. It's my favorite. So tell everyone about it.
Okay, I've had it since 09. Got it with 38,000 miles. I bought it from the restorer out in Michigan. Flew out with my mechanic who knew Pontiacs.
Sure.
Worked with dealers all his life, raced GTOs.
Awesome.
And we looked at the car, and he gets me aside and says, you know, it looks like every nut and bolt is correct on this car. So I pretty much bought it right then and there, and had it shipped about a week or two later.
It's beautiful.
Numbers matching, original interior, which is kind of rare, including headliner, carpeting.
Cool.
Everything
prestigious
is
award too, right, Gary?
Yeah.
POCI?
I took the car to Mohegan Sun for a POCI, Pontiac Open Club International convention in 21.
Yep.
And it took gold. Yeah.
Awesome. That is not an easy award to get.
Pretty much cars as it came from the factory. I really haven't done much to it.
I love it white blue too, so pretty. It's like my
custom
favorite.
Interior. It's Pontiac called it a custom interior.
Yeah.
It was an upgrade. What
are the other options on this car?
Yeah, they come pretty much loaded up. It's the Turbo 400 transmission, POCI rear, which I'm not sure if that was considered an option.
Okay.
Power steering, power brakes. I guess that's about it, really.
Such an iconic car.
Oh yeah, and you just don't see them.
No, I love how you had it sitting on the Firestone, wide ovals. Obviously reproductions.
Yeah, the tires are actually a biased look, but they are radials. They came out, I don't know.
Cooper makes them, right?
I believe so, yes.
So, paint's not original, right?
No,
restored paint, graphics.
It was restored between
wheels.
Between 06 and 08, from what I remember. I have all kinds of paperwork and pictures from the guy who restored it.
Wow, this interior is phenomenal. And even the headliner's original too,
yeah,
huh?
Yeah, it drives and rides really nice.
Yeah, I love the shaker. I think they invented the shaker. Let's check out under the hood.
Sure.
And it's Pontiac Oakland, POCI.
This is as it was from the factory, pretty much.
Very cool. Love all the correct tower clamps, GM hoses and everything.
Yep.
Power steering, power brakes, correct shielding. Look at that. Beautiful. It's much nicer than you were claiming to. You're definitely a little modest. It's gorgeous. Pretty.
Probably got about at least a dozen trophies for this car. A lot of the local shows.
Sure. You know, it's cool. You don't really see them around.
No, I'm usually the only second gen.
Yeah.
At the shows.
Well, it's fired up. Man, what a pretty car. Interior's only original once, man.
Yep, that's what I tell people.
Yep.
If you want to change it, you can change it, but...
So pretty. Even the headliner I could tell is original. Fantastic.
I believe the car sat for a long time. And again, it's only 51,000 miles, so
yeah.
it hasn't had a lot of use.
51,075 miles. That is gorgeous. Iconic turn dash. Even the steering wheel's original. You know, the Repro wheels don't even look like that.
No, they don't.
So nice. They don't make the headliner correct either, by the way.
Say again?
The headliner they make on Reproduction isn't correct.
Yeah.
You could tell.
And the seats, see, like these are perforated.
Yeah.
The repop ones are not.
They're not. You know, I guess they do their best. But when you look at a car like this, you see the utter difference.
Yeah, it's the original radio, and I just had it restored about a year ago.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they souped it up a little bit.
Cool. So does it have Bluetooth or anything? Or
I
aux in?
don't know, but I know I got new speakers.
Cool. So nice. Love how the mirror isn't even delaminated. You know? Seatbelts too. Pretty. This is how it's supposed to be, folks. Are these the original rubber mats or no?
No, they are not. No.
I could see the little bleeding on things.
They are correct.
Yeah, they're super nice.
I also have the it's called PHS documentation.
Oh, so you know the options and all that.
Yeah.
Bring that with you today too?
I have it with me. Yes.
Good.
Yes, I.
As you can see
it's a little
that.
beat up. I got it from the. It's probably from 20, 30 years old. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got production numbers and build sheet.
Yeah.
Came with.
Original options, all that good stuff.
Right.
Oh, nice. You go for a ride?
Sure.
You don't have to ask me twice. Man, what a day. Man, this thing's so good. just so smooth and comfortable, powerful.
Huge difference when I put the radials on the car.
Right? What a difference.
Oh my God. What it was, they were like 10 years old, and they would break loose real easy.
Yeah, I had them on my 71 Cuda when I first got that. What a difference it made. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. I think I took about 200 or so photos today. Give me a buzz and visit the website, weebyautos.com. Thanks.